Welcome students to your own channel Knowledge Kit. We will go for another topic today. As every time I teach you something different. We are going with the noun nowadays. So let us continue with the noun only. Let us know more about the noun. Here I will tell you another topic, that is noun case. Means the role played by noun in your sentence in different ways. Already I have told you previously about it, but it is studied in a different way now. Noun case, first will come your nominative. Nominative means the nomination, who leads. Nominative. Sorry, by saying nomination, I will tell nomination only here. So it is actually nominative. In the nominative case, that is subjective. The subject. In the sentence you write the subject, that is only nominative case. I have explained you previously about the subject, that you consider as the nominative case. Then will come your objective case. Objective case means the word you write at the place of the object. Already that also I have explained you about the objective case, the object. Now there is another one, dative case. Dative case means indirect object. In a sentence, there are two types of objects sometimes you get. One is direct and another one is indirect object. If I write here, I shall give the book to my friend. To whom? To whom? To my friend. So this is your dative case, the indirect object. Now another one, that is a vocative case. In vocative case, if you are addressing a person, then that is known as vocation. If you are addressing a person, that is vocation. If we go further, then another one is case in apposition. In this case in apposition, if you are describing a noun, if I will say, Madhu, my daughter is intelligent. In such a case, I am telling more about Madhu. Who is Madhu? My daughter. So this is known as your case in apposition. Then the next one is yours. I am not getting the place here, but still I will try to do it here. Possessive. Possessive case. But always see that when you are writing the possession, you have to put S. If I write, suppose, a possessive case, I am giving an example here. Son's book. Means the book is in the possession of son. How have I written it? I put an apostrophe, then S. This way you can write the possessive case. So you might be clear about the different types of case of noun. Accordingly, you can differentiate it and write it. But do remember, every time I tell you the same thing, never forget to listen to the words of your parents. respect them, accept their guidance. I know students, you are very much curious to get many things in your life. I'm also curious to get many things in my life, but each thing has its own time to come in your life. Have patience, you will get everything, but never give up your dreams. Keep dreaming, keep watching also my video. Along with that, keep dreaming, keep working hard, and definitely your dream will be successful. If you want anything from your parents, convince them. Then only take it, but never hurt them. Work hard, achieve a goal, but not to forget it any time also to like, share my video. Keep on watching.